Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live here. I want to spotlight Tesla shares hitting an all-time high today, up hitting what was 525 just a moment ago. Shares still up by about 6%. It hit that all-time high on the back of Wedbush's Dan Ives boosting his price target on the EV automaker. Ives upped his price target in a base case to $560 a share from $500 a share, and his bull case target by 25% to $1,000 a share, up from $800 a share there in that case. And Aikiko, I mean, when we talk about Tesla, it's interesting because people said the rally was out of juice when they did that stock split earlier this year. That was wrong. They said it was out of juice when it got that S&P 500 inclusion. That was wrong. But Ives' case here, his call comes down to China still being a large growth opportunity for Tesla. But there's a lot of competition there. So the question is, will that one be wrong?
Yeah, and let's just point out, even with those Tesla naysayers, Dan Ives has always been a Tesla bull. And he's basically saying that, look, in his most bullish case, this stock could go to 1,000 a share. You point to that China story that he is quite bullish on. Looking ahead to 2022, he says 40% of its EV deliveries for Tesla could be out of China. Of course, we have seen Tesla really expanding its footprint in China, building out that factory in Shanghai. And, you know, I was thinking about this, reading this note today, that in many ways, a lot of these EV players, the stars have kind of lined up over the last several weeks. We know Inez Frey has been sort of highlighting that in her market hits, talking about the NIOs, talking about the XPengs and the BYDs of the world, how they have seen strength come through as well. So, you know, maybe Dan Ives sort of looking at that as well, seeing the strength for Tesla in the region. And of course, China being the largest EV market, if you can really capture that market, the upside is really significant. I should point out, though, even with that $1,000 share in his most bullish case, we still have Tasha Keeney over from ARK Investment. She comes on frequently on our show. She's got a $7,000 price target in her most bullish case. So there's still those who are way more bullish than Dan Ives, but certainly China seems to be the biggest upside that he sees for the company right now.
Yeah, important to put that in perspective. As high as $1,000 a share sounds, not the highest we've heard, but also still hinges rather largely on that China opportunity. We shouldn't overlook also the fact that he highlights the Cybertruck and Model Y could potentially also drive that, not just the Model 3 there in China, in terms of future growth prospects there for Tesla to achieve its million delivery unit goal by 2023. They say 2022 is not out of the question, at least if you take Dan Ives' word there. We'll see what happens. Of course, Tesla's still at all-time highs, so if you want to bet against it, you're going up against that.